same. They talk about me, it don't change a thing. Riding through the bill and I'm switching lanes. They tryna play me, but I know the game. They tryna play me, but I know the game. They tryna play me, but I know the game. Riding through the bill and I'm switching lanes. They tryna play me, but I know the game. They talk about me, but it's unoriginal. Worldwide, higher than the pinnacle. 5 stars, I'm the one your lady won't. Cashville got the whole city bumped. Been riding around town, fly higher than the dove. If a hater tryna talk, we gon' send them up above. Putting in work, I don't need no gloves. MC Hammer, but you know you can't touch. Haters gon' talk, but they all say the same thing. Win everywhere that I go like LeBron James. Got different flows, you can call me a mood ring. Can you back out of my face cause your breath stank? Beat up the entire track like I'm insane. Keep making movies like my name is Luke Kane. Taking my style, but I just take your boo thing. Writing these verses first class on that airplane. They talk about me, but it's all the same. They talk about me, it don't change a thing. Ride through the bill and I'm switching lanes. They tryna play me, but I know the game. They tryna play me, but I know the game. They tryna play me, but I know the game. Riding through the bill and I'm switching lanes. They tryna play me, but I know the game. Every rapper say the same thing. Ayy, busting out with their gold chains. Ayy, they be sounding like they got it all, but I see them working at the ball game. Ayy, keep working like LeBron James. Ayy, lot of verses, but they all plain. Yeah, lot of rappers, but they all the same. With your pants sagging and your fake chain. All I let you see is the glitz and the glamour. You don't get to see when I lay down my hammer. You rappers can't touch me like I'm MC Hammer. You set the example, but I set the standard. I don't need to talk about all that I got. I claim who I am, I don't claim who I'm not. You say you the best, but I just took your spot. You cannot compete, I don't know what you thought. Live life in the moment, you only get one. So you rap is hard, but I do this for fun. I solve all my problems, I don't need a gun. They want me to quit, but I've only begun. You looking for lyrics and I am the plug. It's you in your head, but I'm not a drug. I am the one that my city loves, and my talent came from straight up above. They talk about me, but it's all the same. They talk about me, it don't change a thing. Ride through the bill and I'm switching lanes. They try to play me, but I know the game. They try to play me, but I know the game. They try to play me, but I know the game. Ride through the bill and I'm switching lanes. They try to play me, but I know the game. Subliminals in my peripherals. They speak on my name cause I'm cynical. Money come around